Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the laptop screen on an Asus U43F BBA6 laptop. The tools you will need are a small Phillips screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. First thing we will do is take the 4 rubber bumpers off the 4 corners of the front of the laptop. These rubber pieces cover the screws that you will be unscrewing in order to access the laptop screen. Some of them may be difficult to remove. Just try to get the small flathead underneath the rubber pieces. You can use a paper clip or a thumbtack instead if you would like. Now we will remove the 4 screws. On some notebook brands, the screws on top are different than the screws on bottom, so I will keep them on separate sides. I will keep the bottom screws on the right side and the top screws on the left side. It helps to have a magnetic screwdriver when you're doing this because the screws are small and hard to grasp with your hands. We will now remove the plastic cover that goes around the border of the screen. It may seem difficult. Just make sure you are careful. After you have loosened it up, stick a screwdriver into the bottom of the plastic piece. That way you are able to remove it completely. We will now remove the 4 screws that are holding the actual LCD screen itself. Now you should be able to pull the screen forward and lay it flat onto the keyboard. The LCD screen is connected in one spot, and you can go ahead and just loosen up the wire and unplug the LCD screen by sliding the connector down and out. We will unbox the new screen and put it on. We'll go ahead and place the screen face down onto the keyboard and slide the connector into the new LCD screen. And after that, we will make sure that the wire is secured onto the back of the LCD screen, just so that it's out of the way. It should still be sticky, and so it should go on or go back to where it was quite easily, as you can see I'm doing right now. We will now put the screws that hold the LCD screen directly on back in. Make sure you do not over tighten the screws, but make sure they are tight enough so that the screen is very stable and secure. We will now put the plastic piece that goes around the border of the screen back on. Put it on from the bottom to top and push in on the sides, and it should be clicking in. This sometimes takes longer to make sure that everything is nice and clicked in. So just make sure that you take your time and that everything is clicked in properly. We will now put the screws that hold the plastic casing on, remembering that we put the bottom screws on the left and the top screws on the right. Now for some of you, after you put the screen on, but before you put the plastic piece back on, you may want to test the screen and see if it works. I am confident that the screen I got from laptopscreen.com is going to work, and so I just go ahead and finish the replacement without testing first. Put all the rubber stoppers back on. They should still be sticky. If not, you can go ahead and glue them. That little dab super glue would help. And after that, go ahead and power on your laptop. And as you can see there, my laptop was dead, so I had to grab a charger. Although this tutorial was for an Asus U43F laptop, this process is the same for nearly all laptop screens. Some have screws in different areas, but in general it is the same, and you can use this same idea to replace any laptop screen. And as you can see, my screen is on and working well. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.